Inside this mega coconut factory, whole coconuts become drinks, cooking ingredients, garden products, and home filter materials. Almost every part of the coconut can become a useful product in everyday life.
The process begins with young and mature coconuts harvested for different product streams.
Damaged coconuts are removed before the crop reaches the factory.
The coconuts are loaded and transported to the processing factory.
At the factory, coconuts enter a controlled receiving system.
Weighing helps the factory track yield from every coconut batch.
Samples are checked before the batch move into processing.
The receiving conveyor moves coconuts into the washing line. Washing removes soil, dust, and field debris from the coconut surface. Workers inspect washed coconuts before they enter mechanical processing.
Young and mature coconuts move into different product streams.
Young coconuts are trimmed before their water is extracted. Clear coconut water is extracted and collected in a closed stainless system. Filtration removes small particles before the water is pasteurized.
Pasteurization helps make coconut water safer for bottled drinks.
Blank bottles are rinsed before filling.
Coconut water is filled into bottles for grocery stores, gyms, and smoothie bars. Filled bottles are inspected before packing.
Bottled coconut water is packed into cartons for chilled or dry distribution. Mature coconuts are dehusked to separate the fiber-rich outer husk.
The husk becomes a separate stream for coir fiber products.
After dehusking, hard-shell coconuts are washed again before cracking. The shell cracking machine opens mature coconuts for meat separation. White coconut meat is separated from the shell for food processing. The coconut meat is washed before shredding and pressing.
Inspection removes shell pieces and damaged meat before processing.
Clean coconut meat is shredded into fine flakes for milk, drying, and baking ingredients.
Shredded coconut is divided into several food product streams.
Shredded coconut enters a press to extract coconut milk. The press squeezes out thick, white coconut milk. Filtration creates a smoother coconut milk for food use.
Homogenization helps create a consistent texture for cartons and cans.
Pasteurization prepares coconut milk for cooking, coffee, smoothies, and desserts.
Coconut milk is filled into cartons for American kitchens, coffee, and smoothies. Some coconut milk is packed into cans for cooking, soups, curries, and baking. A thicker coconut cream stream is separated for richer cooking and dessert products.
Another shredded coconut stream enters the drying line.
Drying turns shredded coconut into desiccated coconut for baking and granola.
Screening grades dried coconut flakes by size.
Desiccated coconut is packed for baking, cereals, snacks, and food manufacturing. Coconut meat is sliced into thin chips for snack products. Drying creates crisp coconut chips for snack packs. Coconut chips are packed as shelf-stable snack products. Dried coconut material enters an oil press for coconut oil extraction.
The press extracts golden coconut oil from dried coconut material.
Centrifugation helps clarify the coconut oil.
Filtration creates cleaner coconut oil for bottling.
Coconut oil is bottled for cooking, baking, and personal care formulations. Bottled coconut oil is packed for retail and food service distribution.
The outer husk moves into a separate coir fiber processing area.
Decortication separates tough coconut husks into useful coir fibers.
Coir fibers are washed before drying and forming.
Drying prepares coir fiber for ropes, mats, and garden products.
Coir fibers are graded before being formed into consumer products. Long coir fibers are twisted into durable ropes. Coir fiber is pressed into doormat material used at home entrances. Coir is also formed into garden liners and landscaping materials used by home gardeners. Fine coir pith can become growing medium blocks for plants and home gardens.
Coir products are packed for garden centers, hardware stores, and home use.
Hard coconut shells move into a separate carbon product stream.
Drying prepares coconut shells for charcoal production. Dried coconut shells enter a carbonization kiln to become charcoal. Carbonization turns hard coconut shells into dense shell charcoal.
The charcoal is cooled before it can be crushed and graded.
Crushing prepares shell charcoal for activated carbon production.
Crushed shell charcoal enters an activation furnace.
Activation creates a porous carbon material used in filtration products.
The activated carbon is washed before drying and grading.
Drying prepares the activated carbon for screening and filter products.
Screening grades activated carbon by particle size. Activated carbon is filled into generic water and air filter cartridges. Activated carbon is packed as loose filtration media. Activated carbon samples are checked before filter products are packed.
Food products are tested for appearance, texture, and consistency.
Coconut water must look clear and clean before release.
Coconut milk is checked for smoothness and consistent texture. Coconut oil is checked for clarity before bottling and shipment.
Dried coconut flakes must have controlled moisture for shelf-stable use.
Coir products are checked for strength, texture, and shape.
Food products are packed in bottles, cartons, cans, bags, and cases. Coir and activated carbon products are packed separately from food products. Packed coconut foods are stored before distribution to grocery and food service customers. Non-food coconut products move into a separate dry warehouse.
In the United States, coconut products appear in drinks, coffee, smoothies, baking, and dairy-free cooking.
Coconut husk and shell can become products used in homes, gardens, and filtration systems. Food-grade coconut processing requires clean equipment and protective clothing. Wet processing lines are cleaned to prepare for the next coconut batch. The coconut milk line is cleaned after production to protect texture and quality. Mechanical preparation equipment is inspected regularly for safe operation.
The Coir line needs dust control and routine mechanical maintenance.
The carbon line uses sealed equipment and dust control for safe production. The first product stream turns young coconuts into bottled coconut water.
The white coconut meat becomes coconut milk and coconut cream.
Other coconut meat streams become dried coconut, coconut chips, and coconut oil. The outer husk becomes coir products used in homes and gardens. The hard shell becomes charcoal and activated carbon for filtration products. Coconut water is the drink stream from young coconuts.
Coconut meat becomes coconut milk for cooking, coffee, smoothies, and desserts.
Dried coconut material becomes coconut oil for kitchens and consumer products.
Coconut husk becomes coir products for doorways, gardens, and landscaping.
Coconut shell becomes activated carbon used in filter products.
These coconut products fit into everyday American life, from grocery aisles to kitchens, gardens, and home filters.
One coconut can support food, beverages, home products, gardening, and filtration materials.
A mega coconut factory works because each part of the coconut moves into a different product stream. The factory's key step is splitting the coconut into water, meat, husk, and shell streams. Water and meat streams become the food and beverage products.
The husk stream becomes coir fiber for homes, gardens, and landscaping.
The shell stream becomes activated carbon for filtration materials.
First, the factory turns whole coconuts into water and milk. Then, coconut meat becomes chips, dried flakes, and bottled oil.
The husk becomes coir products used around homes and gardens. The shell becomes activated carbon for water and air filtration products.
Finally, products are tested, packed, warehoused, and shipped into everyday supply chains.
This is the full coconut transformation in one factory. These products connect the factory to real American kitchens, gardens, homes, and filtration systems.
The goal is simple. Use the water, meat, husk, and shell instead of wasting them. A modern coconut factory is valuable because it turns one crop into many practical products. From whole coconuts to water, milk, oil, coir, and activated carbon, every stage depends on separation.
Thank you for watching Mega Processing Tech. Subscribe, like, share, and comment what everyday product factory we should explore next.